Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put a Jaguar XF in neutral. First, park on level ground and apply the parking brake. Keep the engine running or set to accessory if needed. Press and hold the brake pedal firmly. Make sure the steering column is unlocked so the shift lever can move freely. Have the ignition key or start button ready in case you need to toggle power modes during the process. Next, find the shift release mechanism on the center console near the shifter and remove any cover if present. Keep your foot on the brake and press the shift release button or insert the override tool into the slot. Gently move the shifter from park through reverse to neutral while holding the release. If resistance occurs, stop and recheck the release and brake pedal, then try again with steady controlled pressure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you work on the car. It's small, affordable, and lasts through several drives, making the shop experience nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After placing the car in neutral, confirm safety before moving around the vehicle. Keep the parking brake engaged and apply wheel chocks if you plan to leave the car unattended or prepare it for towing. Walk around and gently roll the wheels to ensure they move freely and that steering responds correctly. Double-check the shifter position and that the engine or accessory power remains in the correct mode for safe handling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.